Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes C-Class Sport diesel. It's the facelift model. Absolutely lovely and great value for money this. So you've got the running daylights, you've got the front park distance control, sport alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, reverse camera. Paintwork is absolutely popping on it, look. Can't really find anything to show you that needs pointing out. It's in great condition. Boot area's in lovely condition. Rear seats do fold forward, sorry, if you want to fold them forward. The full leather inside with the white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated seats. Just start the car up. It's got 3-stage heated seats there, electric windows, electric mirrors. 6-speed gearbox, different driving style modes, auto headlights, satellite navigation. It's quite rare on one of these. Reverse camera, aircon's blowing beautiful and cold, absolutely stunning. Bluetooth connectivity and media pack. The little iDrives all here. All some USBs down there. Centre armrest. Sounds absolutely lovely. At DJH we provide full dealer facility, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.